In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Clickup account. Whether you're new to Clickup or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to ensure you can securely exit your session. Maintaining a habit of logging out, especially on shared or public devices, is a key aspect of digital security. Now, let's get started. First things first, you will need to open Clickup. This can be done on your computer or any device where you use the Clickup app. If you don't have the app, you might want to log in through the web browser by navigating to the Clickup website. Once you're logged in and have the main dashboard in front of you, you're all set to begin the logout process. Now, if you look to the top right corner of your screen, you should see your profile icon. This icon usually contains your profile picture or initials, depending on how you've set up your account. It's your go-to spot for accessing account settings and preferences. So why is this important? Well, this is where Clickup stores various personalized options, including the logout feature. With your profile icon in sight, you'll want to give it a click. This action will reveal a drop-down menu showcasing a variety of options that primarily relate to your account and settings. Now, I understand that sometimes navigating through software can seem like a maze, but once you locate this menu, it's pretty straightforward from here. As you scroll down to the very bottom of this menu, you'll notice the logout option. Selecting this is the crucial step in safely signing off from your Clickup session. By choosing Logout, you ensure that your account is protected, especially if you're using a public computer or device that isn't solely yours. It's a simple step, yet incredibly important to safeguard your information from unauthorized access. Once you've clicked on Logout, Clickup will automatically redirect you to the login page. This step is essentially a confirmation that you have been successfully logged out. Being back at the login page is not just an indication of completion, but also a point where, if needed, you can easily log back in when required. And there you have it, a seamless and secure way to log out of your Clickup account. Just to recap, always start by accessing Clickup. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner, select Logout from the menu, and ensure you land on the login page to complete your session. Thank you for watching, and be sure to log out to keep your account secure. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like, share, or leave a comment with any questions you might have.